So this is my new box that I made. It has airline on the back. It has a sail gun. Then on the back I have put on this here. I read on the pipes. Here's my toolbox. Put my toolbox, all my rivets, and my hard hat. And down here is where I put the keys. This is where I made my handle. And this is where I made my lock. This is what I put up. This is my wee rock I made. And this is my rock. Then I put a wee light inside. Show inside the box. There's my tool inside. Wee rock. This wee for the wee pin. Down inside not metal. Not on the side as well. Slim it up a wee bit. And that is what I made the past couple of weeks. Using the hinges I bought last Saturday. And this is my cable ties I have for my cable wires. And my sail gun for the side. And my airline pipe.